Well, I want to show you a little bit about a very flavorful cut, the hanging tender. Sometimes you get a hanging tender that may not be that well trimmed when it comes from the butcher, and we need to give it a little help, love up on it a little before we begin cooking. There is a spot where an artery passes through. We want to make sure we get that removed. Start by trimming off the excess tissue that would be hard to chew and hard to gauge cooking through and so forth. This cut's going to be on the lean side for intramuscular fat. You know, it's a diaphragm, it works all the time. And a little more on the rare side is going to produce a better eating experience. It's going to be moisture, sizzling, yummy. I generally eat steaks on the rare side. Boy, I cooked one the other night that was totally delicious. It surprised me, and I was expecting it to be good. Now, one thing I found is it helps to really work on this and tenderize the cut a little bit. I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm breaking down the muscle fiber with the knife so that it's easier to cook. It's easier to chew, a much more enjoyable eating experience, and it also lets a lot more spices and so forth layer in there, and it's a much more tender piece of meat when it makes it to the table. I'm sinking in, 1/8 inch or so. Just a good rhythmic chopping, but you're not trying to go through, you're just breaking down the muscle fiber so it's a much more enjoyable, tender eating experience. I could cook it right now with a little bit of soy sauce, garlic, and pepper on it, and broil it. You could grill it or marinate it overnight, and either way it would be delicious.